Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, Director of Marketing Communications for Cuisinart. This is the Cuisinart Exact Heat Convection Toaster Oven Broiler. This is a great product. It has stainless accents on the front and an electronic touchpad control. It has a lot of great features. It has a feature for baking pizza or regular baking, convection baking, which actually circulates air around the oven as it's baking, so you get really great succulent meats when you roast things, and also it's more efficient. It takes a lot less time to actually bake your food. It also has a broil feature. It has toast control, up for darker and down for lighter. It also has something called always even shade control, which what it does is it monitors the amount of heat in the oven, and it actually makes sure that your toast comes out exactly the same way every time, no matter how many batches of toasting you do. The other thing that it has is it has a bagel feature, a defrost function, reheat, and this is where your browning selector and your display is. It has a clock, a timer, also your hour and minutes button, and your start and stop. On the inside, it has a large roasting rack and baking tray. The rack goes in two positions down here, so if you're going to, let's say, roast a chicken, you use the lower rack. And also it has a higher rack. That's the rack that you're going to use for broiling. And when you broil, make sure you leave the oven door ajar. It has a lot of great features. Like I said, it's a Cuisinart Exact Heat oven, so it monitors the heat. It has a sensor inside, so the heat is always kept perfectly consistent and very tight so that your food comes out the same doneness every time.
Introducing the Smart Oven Pro by Breville. 10 menu functions suggest the ideal cooking temperature and time. And you can watch it all with the interior oven light. Let's see it in action. Toast, roast, bake, broil, slow cook and more. The Smart Oven Pro, brought to you by the food thinkers at Breville.